Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to bring you guys along with me for a project that I am working on. If I sound tired, forgive me because I am tired. But I have been asked by a design company here in Jacksonville to assist the owner with some of her holiday decorations that she does for a lot of the large corporations here in town. So because I'm not really going to have time to record any DIYs for you guys, I decided to bring you along and you can follow me and watch as we decorate. Today we are doing 18 foot or 20 foot. By the time we put the topper on, the tree is like 20 feet high. Yeah, it's a large tree. So we started on this tree yesterday. It's already up and fluffed. So today is just going to be putting on the ornaments and the decorations. So just to give you guys an idea, it took us about 6 to 7 hours yesterday just to get this tree up and fluffed, y'all. It's a huge deal. So I just wanted to come on and say, hey, I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. And now it's Christmas time and it's time to get all the decorations up. So I'm going to take you guys along with me today and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so we're going up the escalator here. And I'm just going to show you what we're starting with. So that is the tree there. Yeah. So this is what we worked on yesterday. And we've already put out all the decor that's going on, and it is ready and waiting. Snow and ornaments, and yeah, so today is going to be quite busy. So we have to decorate this whole thing. So I thought you guys would enjoy watching us do that, so I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod and then speed it up so you're not here all day like I'm gonna be. Just watch us make this tree pretty. Alright guys, thanks for hanging with me today. We finally finished. And there she is. It's actually 18 feet. So 18 feet of tree and a whole ton of decorations. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Toodles.